Hello children, this is last video of lesson 5, growing plants, origin of plants. In this video children, you can see a lot of vegetable and fruits, watermelon, onion, wheat, sweet potato, pumpkin, roses, apples. All these things actually not belongs to India. Then from where they belongs? They belongs in different countries or different places. They are not the native of India. As watermelon belongs to South Africa, onion and wheat, always which is present in our kitchen, it originated in Egypt. Pumpkin is originated in Central and South America. Roses and apple, we used to eat always. Roses are, I think, available in all the houses. We all love roses, but it is originated in China. Means it is not a native plant of India. ये भारत के नहीं है. They belongs in these countries. From different ways they reaches in India. Next thing is tea tail. There is a small story of tea. How it is reached in India. Actually children, tea plants are the native of China. It grows in China thousands of years ago. The first recorded drinking of tea was in China. Means सबसे पहले चाइना में ही चाय पी गई थी. Later tea was cultivated in India, in northeast Assam, bordering Burma and China in 1823. That is why Assam tea is famous. Tea seeds were imported to India from China by the Britishers. Britishers brought tea seeds from the China in India. Tea is not only cultivated in Assam, it is cultivated in southern part of India, especially in Western Ghat. Its soft leaves are plucked and collected, then dried and processed, then sold in packets. Children, tea plants are grown from seed or by the cutting only. They are taking near about 3 years to ready for harvesting, and they are taking 4 to 12 years to bear seeds. And do you know how much rainfall they are needed? Children, this is the scale of 12 inches. This steel scale is of 12 inches. Think about, in 1 year, these tea plants are needed 50 inches rainfall in 1 year. And they need acidic soil. They can cultivate it only in acidic soil nicely. And they are growing at an altitude of 1500 meters. What do you mean by altitude of 1500 meters? It means from the sea level 1500 meter की height पे tea can be cultivated. Means tea can be cultivated in the height from the sea level at the height of 1500 meters. That is why they are growing in higher places. Means higher lands. They are growing very slowly and needed a better flavor. If you need nice growth of tea plant and nice flavor, then it should be planted at the height of 1500 meter from the sea level. And they needed 50 inches rainfall in 1 year. And the soil must be acidic. Now chapter is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.